Charlie loves smoked fish dip, and Mustafa here wants to taste Charlie's food. Let's see what's gonna happen with Charlie. Charlie, come. Charlie, leave him, little pet. Charlie, come on. Good dog. Let him have some. Let's see if he's gonna have any. You're such a good puppy, Charlie. Let's see what he's gonna do. Let's see what he's gonna do. I know. Oh, he doesn't care. He doesn't want to go to your food. He wants to play with you, I guess. Okay. This is too much. Now Charlie starts sharing his food with Mustafa. Mustafa wants everything Charlie has. You know, the younger brother syndrome.